Today we are diving into a super cool topic. Ever received a document as a pictures and wish you could easily edit it? We are going to learn how to extract text from pictures in just a few seconds. Completely free and easy. Here I have a photo taken from textbook with some important information. And I would love to turn it into editable text, but don't have the patience to type it all out. So, to save myself from all that typing, we are going to check out 3 cool ways to basically zap the text right out of the image. Alright, first up, let's see what Microsoft PowerToys can do. This handy software might already be hiding on your computer. Microsoft PowerToys has a built-in tool called Text Extractor that lets you snag text from anywhere on your screen, even from pictures and videos. To find it, open your Start menu and search for PowerToys. Once you see it, click on it and we will be ready to use its magic. If you don't have PowerToys installed, head over to Microsoft Store and get it installed for free. Once the PowerToys setting window is open, scroll down and click on Text Extractor. Enable Text Extractor. This is a shortcut to activate Text Extractor. Windows Shift together with T. Next, open the image. We have our image right on the desktop here. Press Windows Shift T to activate Text Extractor. Click and drag your mouse to activate your capture. Now that we have captured the text, we can now paste it to our preferred text editor. Press Ctrl V, and there we have our text. Next on our list of text zapping tools, Microsoft OneNote. This program has a hidden superpower called Optical Character Recognition, or OCR for short. It lets you magically pull text out of photos and even scanned documents. Perfect for those textbook screenshots. However, this functionality is only available in the OneNote desktop app, not the web version. Here's how to use it. Open the OneNote desktop app. Insert the picture containing the text you want to extract. You can do this by dragging and dropping the picture directly into OneNote. Now we already have our picture into OneNote. The next thing is to right-click on the picture we just inserted. And once you have right-clicked, keep your eyes peeled for the option that says Copy Text from Picture. Click on that. And voila, the text will be copied. Now you can paste the magic text into any text editor like Word or Notepad. Just hit Ctrl V to paste. And here we have our text. Lastly is our good friend, Microsoft Word. Did you know that Word can technically turn a photo into a text document? But it only works for JPEGs. Just slap the picture into a new document and save it as a PDF. So basically you just drag and drop the photo into Microsoft Word. And if you click on this, you can tell that this is a photo. You can see the borders. So now we're going to save this as a PDF file. Click the File tab. Save as, browse to the location, and we're going to save it on the desktop. We're going to call it photo to text, and the save tab going to be PDF. Click save, and we have saved our files as a PDF. The next thing is to open it in Word and see the magic happens. To open a new document in Microsoft Word, click the File tab. Click Open. and navigate to where the document is saved. We have it saved on our desktop. Here is it. Click on it and click open. And Word will be like, hey, this is a PDF file. I will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just click OK. And Word will do its best to convert the PDF file into editable text document. And there you have it. If we inspect the photo and the extracted text, we see that there's no difference except with the format. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.